Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and while you're at it, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today's makeup is pretty much just going to be focused on the eyes today. As you can see, I have pretty much everything done. I have foundation, concealer, I have my brows filled in, and my eyes are somewhat completed, but that's what we're gonna get into right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I create my eyeliner. I can use my eyeshadow to create an eyeliner. So I'm gonna show you guys because you don't need to have liquid eyeliners on hand or anything like that. A shadow is more than sufficient to create an eyeliner. So the only thing that I love to go in with are these right here. This is the Inglot Duraline drops. This is really good. I will link this down below for you guys in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. And what I like about this is that this helps create the eyeliner. I've never really tried like water or anything to help create the shadow, but I know this works really good. It keeps it from like moving, and it doesn't like, it lasts for like the day for me. I've never had an issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little drop on the back of my hand. I'm going to grab this Tarte eyeliner brush. It's a double-sided brush, and I really do like this one a lot. It has really good control, and it's just really, really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick any color from any palette. Right now I have this one from Morphe. This is the 39A palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this like pinky, mauvey, purpley berry shade. We're gonna call it a berry shade. So I'm gonna go in with that one. That one is called Create. And what I'm gonna do is, since I already have the drop on the back of my hand, it's kind of sliding around right now, but that's okay. I'm just gonna grab the brush, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of the shadow and just apply that right there on top of that. And I'm gonna grab a little bit more and just apply that on the back of my hand. So I'm mixing it, and it's just creating the liquid liner, which is really, really cool. So now I'm just going to apply it, and here we go. And it's super pigmented. And you're basically just going to do your regular wing liner. I haven't like dipped my brush, you guys saw I haven't dipped my brush again into the little mixture. And it's still just as pigmented. And you just need one drop and the littlest bit of the eyeshadow. So right now I'm gonna go back in to that little mixture on the back of my hand. And do you see that? How gorgeous does that look? It is so easy. I haven't tried it with water. I'm pretty sure you can probably do it. I'm gonna try it right now. But I just feel like it works way better with the Inglot drops. I don't know. So, I mean, I can even grab a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit on the back of my hand, just like that. You see that? I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that of that shadow. I'm going to mix it right there. This is it right here. And it doesn't look like it's the same consistency. It doesn't look as pigmented. All right, so that's pretty much with the spray. As you can see, it's not as pigmented, but it does work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the drops. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. So just know that you're probably gonna need at least 2 drops, 1 for each eye. And I would say do them 1 at a time. So basically right now I'm just doing another one. This one right here is with the Duraline drops. And you can definitely see the difference between like using water, or what I used was the rose water spray. And I mean, again, it did work. It's just very, very light. It's not as pigmented as the Duraline drops. So I'm just gonna go back in and go over that. You see, like right off the bat, it's super pigmented. Look at that. And it applies so smooth. It glides like right on. No issue whatsoever. And I feel like this one's a little thicker. So I'm just gonna go over this one real quick. And yes, you can easily go right over it. It doesn't matter how many times. It's not gonna affect the fact that you applied it once. It's gonna look exactly the same. It's gonna look smooth. Not gonna look clumpy or anything. And there you go. That is the most easiest way to create a colorful eyeliner. It is so easy as long as you have the Inglot drops. I have like the shadow all over me right now. Look, like I'm just like stained, but that's okay. So right now I will be right back. I'm going to finish off the eyes real quick and then I will show you everything together. All right guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I finished off the eyes. I applied some Kiss number 11 lashes, and some lipstick because I wasn't wearing lipstick before. And that is pretty much it. I hope I was able to help some of you out. Just know that you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of liquid eyeliners. Also, I don't really like them all the time because they dry out so fast sometimes, and we don't always go and use those every day. So I feel like these drops right here are perfect for those days that you do want to add a little bit of, you know, a colorful eyeliner. And you don't have to just use it on colorful ones. You can use it on the black one as well. Any color shadow, it doesn't matter. Any type of shadow, powder, whatever, it doesn't matter. It works really, really well. And it does give it a nice, it's very pigmented and it glides on super, super nicely. Also, I want to give a shout out to this brush right here from Tarte. It is really, really good. I've had this for a couple of years and I've gone on and off with using it, but now that I'm getting a lot better with my eyeliner, I feel like this has really come in handy when I do my liner. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.